guys.
We are at Canyon Lanes.
False. Just kidding.
False. I don't even know.
We are outside of Canyon Lanes, about to go in.
Smart guy.
I actually been here before a long time ago with Aaron. They have a lot of good games here, so we're gonna go in, see what we can win.
Sure.
They have like, I actually won from Barber Light last time here. I was here
Really?
twice, yeah.
What did you
So
win?
check out these dope games.
Oh, that's pretty cool. They got slot machines too.
Ooh, Stacker.
You know what time it is. Let's go. Wait for the bass drop. Hold on. I'll count you off. Go.
I totally messed that up. I knew he was gonna say all ready for this, but
Talk about hype music when you're playing.
I know, right?
Hey, 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 let's go, let's go. Hey, hey, yeah, hey, hey.
Oh god, that was terrible. That's what we get for. Ooh, yeah.
Hyped it up too much. Hey, hey.
Hold on, we gotta get a little chase action.
Hey.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, hey, hey. Ooh.
Oh shoot! No.
Oh, please win that.
Oh, I wasn't
I
even
didn't know
paying
you moved
attention.
it.
Me neither.
Oh.
Okay, guys, here we go. Is it gonna rig me? Guys,
Well.
guys, this could be it. Come on.
Ah.
Oh, dang it.
Oh. That was close.
Okay, let's
Let's
not.
see you get 3 in a row.
Yeah.
Let's
Come
have a
on,
practice.
come on.
Yeah.
You're all warmed up now. Are you
Oh,
did that not count?
prize?
No, this isn't even the grand prize, bro. That's
Oh.
the grand prize.
That's lame.
Oh.
Oh.
3 in a row. You did it.
Nice.
You can select a small prize.
you know.
Are you ready to play for the grand prize?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, I got it.
Let's
no
go.
way. Let's go, guys. Grand
Damn.
prize. Heck yeah.
You can get a SpongeBob MP3.
Should I? Or
Yeah.
should I get the
Oh.
Frozen?
Psh, oh. I say the MP3.
Select prize. So. Oh, it won't let me. I think it's. Oh yeah. It's the. Yeah, I can't get anything else.
Oh, that's lame.
What?
What happened?
Guys, it didn't give it to me. That's
What?
retarded.
No. Frick
Yes.
that.
What the heck?
What?
I just pressed this. Select prize.
Wow, that's really stupid.
Look at this.
Oh.
It's bad.
Wow.
Whoa, remember that guy?
Yeah.
He was in here literally last time I was here.
Really?
Yeah, we're going to. Ooh, I want to try for that orange thing. I think it should be kind of easy.
Yeah.
Oh, it might fling it forward. Fling it, buddy.
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 Come on, buddy.
Well,
That should be pretty good.
it's not gonna fall forward.
No.
Oh, that might be good actually. Come on. Get it.
Oh,
got
nice.
it. Nice, buddy.
That's awesome.
Buddy, got it. I'm gonna give this to my bud. Ooh, that's gettable, I think. I'm gonna see if I can snatch it. Oh, get the tiger too.
Lions, and Tigers, and Bears.
Do it all. Oh,
Ooh.
I'm trying to snatch your wig.
You're trying to get 2 in 1.
Ooh, no, I'm just trying to get this dome out, and I think I got it. Come on, under the arm. Grab for daddy. Grab for daddy.
Oh, you gotta get
I almost
that.
had a 2-in-1. Yep.
Oh, it's gotta be a
How I
winner.
want it.
That's such a winner. Is that a winner?
I think so.
Oh,
no, they're like on
Poopy.
top of each other.
Oh.
You're filming good, right?
Oh yeah. I am the best filmer
Hey,
in town. I don't care what all the critics say.
If you don't film good, I'm not paying you anymore. I'm just kidding.
I don't get paid to do the squat. It's
try that. He always bends the left one. Did you notice that?
Yeah. Oh, that might flip it in.
Oh, come on now. Come on. Oh, get in there.
Oh,
my gosh.
man, the tiger.
Lions, tigers, and ladybugs. Oh my. Should. Alright. Looks good. Everything's good.
Come on, guy.
Up to date. Now flip it in. Oh my gosh.
Man.
It's just right there.
See, that should be good.
Get in there. Yep. Okay,
Ooh.
that should be good. Come on.
Oh,
Yes. 2 in.
Oh.
See. Okay.
That thing looks so old.
I know.
Oh man, it looks like you get that like Goodwill.
Just gonna win this.
Are you gonna try
really
this one
quick.
too?
Should be an easy win. Come on. That should have it. Just get in there. Come on, baby. Fall in. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Got the Goodwill bear.
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
Let's go.
Yep. By the ball. Come on, baby. Oh, no. That actually might be good.
Oh.
Stay in there.
Ah. Alright, we already know what time it is. Hey. Hey. Okay. Pretty good.
Too much.
It's
Can I
gotta
go
be
for a
it.
2-1 with anything?
Ooh, not with that. It'll put it in a bad position. I would just go for it.
Really?
Yeah.
So just go like that?
That should be good. Somewhere by the body.
Oh, too far. Oh. That should be good or something.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh. Physic. Get in there!
Nice.
Yes! Okay. Let's go for that Domo.
Okay.
That might have it. Come on. Wait, film this. I think I got it. Yes!
Oh.
Yes! Oh, no. It's in there. Oh, no. It's dead. It's dead. Enter. No return. No return. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding.
Oh, Trojans, perfect for you. Excellent.
Just like the... Isn't that a condom brand?
Yeah. Can't keep my dick in my pants. Ooh.
That should flip them in, you know? Come on, get them in there. Get them in there.
Bam! Wow, you are killing it, Mr. Guy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just keep going. Go for that cat.
This is incredible.
You're incredible,
I am,
Chase.
oh, thank you.
It's literally like perfectly
yeah.
gettable.
That should be. I might slide it. I don't know.
Might slide forward.
Yeah, no.
Oh,
yeah.
might slide
What is that?
backwards. Balls are kind of. Ooh, that might be good.
Oh, I think I went too far back.
No, I think I got it.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Got
Excuse me.
it. Excuse you.
Wow.
How dare you?
Oh my goodness.
I don't know how.
Excellent job. That's a,
Oh shoot. No, it'll. Yeah, that might be good. Oh, that's back too far.
yeah.
I missed it.
Oh, never mind.
Just
You got
kidding.
it. Nice.
Heck yeah, dude. All right, sweet. I don't think there's anything else, honestly.
That looks like Dory. This thing.
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh,
It's kind of
it
cool,
is.
actually.
I think it might be all right. Oh.
Nah,
Ooh,
too
that's
far forward.
back, unless it flips it up.
What the hell?
No way!
Get it! Oh no! That's a guy from Hotel Transylvania.
No way! How did you almost win him?
I don't know.
It got caught or something.
Oh man, that would have been a cool win.
Now you... Oh no.
That should be good.
I hope it falls forward.
Oh,
oh, heck yeah.
Wow.
Okay, just kidding. We got it, guys.
Nice. Excellent.
Yeah, sweetness.
Oh.
I got it, but it... Oh my
Oh.
gosh, I can get that.
Wait. This is a speaker.
Yeah,
We gotta
see?
get
I told
We gotta
you.
get it. Oh, we gotta get this.
Oh,
Ah,
it was so close. Okay.
dang. That one cut was really good.
Now. Ready?
Big push. There we go. Oh yeah, let's go!
Yeah, nice.
Frick yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah!
We got it.
Oh
Heck
my
yeah.
god!
Guys,
For what?
It works.
$3?
It's
Yo!
it's a fake charge too because I bought this before. But heck
Still, we
yeah,
can play
$3.
music on that.
Heck yeah, should we try for this one?
Oh my god.
That was really loud.
That was
but
perfect. Wow, I screamed really loud.
It's okay. You know what?
That was exciting.
It was really exciting.
Wow. Dude, you're freaking killing it. Oh my gosh.